Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a Bigcartel e-commerce store for free. Now, Bigcartel helps you to create an online store where you can sell products, and you are able to do this either for free or using the other two options that Bigcartel offers. The good thing with Bigcartel, as you can see here, plans for any budget, so you can start today. Here they say we don't answer to investors, so we are able to keep things simple and affordable. That means no hidden fees or weird data sharing practices. By signing up, you'll be supporting an indie business that cares for you. So that's the beauty with Bigcartel, in that you can also trade for free, use no coin, yet make some coins. Down here, you see we have the sign up for free. We have where you can sell 5 products for free and you don't require any credit card. For the second option, you can sell up to 50 products per profile and you will be charged $9.99 per month, and there's no listing fees. And the last one, you have up to an option of 500 products, and that goes for $19.99 per month. And for the gold features down here, you notice it's 1 image per product for this one. Now, if you notice the difference, this one gives you 5 images. Another thing that might be different, you notice that for the free offer, the offers or the features end here. But as you build on these other two, you notice we have quite a good number. For instance, bulk editing is on platinum and is also on diamond, but is not on gold. So you notice here we have shipment tracking that is in platinum, and we have it in diamond also, but it is not there in gold features. However, this does not mean that the gold feature or the free option is not worth it. It is worth it. You can still have up to 5 products. So to sign up for free, you simply click there, sign up for free. You'll be required to enter your email, password, shop name, and shop URL. So I'll put my details there. Give my shop name. Let me call it Josh Knitters. And then automatically, you notice it gives me the shop URL down here, joshknitters.bigcartel.com. If I change this one again, it will still change the shop URL. Then I click on sign up, and it will need me to verify my email address. So what I do is I'll simply go back to my email, and you notice here we have an email from Bigcartel. I click on that, and here is the email, and so I click on verify your email down here, and with that it tells you yes, your email has been verified. So now here I'm on the dashboard of Bigcartel. As you can notice here, we have the dashboard, we have the orders, products, discounts, and then this is now our account details. So up here you can verify your location and currency. You can add a product coming from another platform. You can also import products listing in a few clicks. Now, in our previous tutorial, we had talked about Shopify. You can also import products to this site from such shops, and we can also explore shipping profiles, connect a payment processor. In this case, you can choose PayPal or Stripe to connect to your Bigcartel. Another thing you can do here is you can design your shop. In this way, you'll be able to customize your layout, your colors, so that they can be in theme with your shop colors, the logos that you would want to upload. Then you can also launch your shop. That is after you have filled in these details. As you can see down here, our name, the name of our store or shop, is listed down there. Again, if you scroll down here, you'll notice that you have your data in real time here. You have 0 visitors, 0 orders, 0 conversion, and 0 revenue so far. In this case, because we have just created this account. So if we had any orders or visitors, then this is a place where you can get those analytics. So let's come to how to add a product here. You simply click on add a product, and it takes you to this page. It gives you this tutorial on what to do. On your products page, you can add new product listings or edit and remove existing products and so on and so forth. So this is a tutorial that you can follow to the end to know what is required. In this case, I'll just skip that. So to add a product, I'll click here, add a product. As I said earlier, you can also import products from other sites where you do your sales. And that's a good thing with Bigcartel, in that you can just simply import products from other stores that you have elsewhere. So in this case, let's just add a product. You click on add a product and it takes you to this new product page. You can have the product name. Let me call it Men Official Suit. Then the description, you can give official wear. Remember, you can give any description that you feel fits your product. Then categories, you can add categories here. So if I click on add, you notice it gives me part to manage categories. So in this case, I click on that, then I click on add. So which category is this? So if I'm selling many products, maybe this is the category of clothes. So if I'm satisfied, I can still add another category, but let me just add one. Then I click on save, then done. So far you can see we have men official suits, which is official wear. It's in the categories of clothes. And then we have the status down here. If you click down here, you notice we have hidden, sold out, and coming soon. So if the product is ready, I just click on active. But if maybe I'm just advertising the product, yet I don't have it, but it's coming soon, then definitely I click on coming soon. In this case, let me assume the product is active. I click that. Then the price here, I can determine the price. Let me say 300 US dollars. Then here, you can add individual options or you can add grouped options. So if I click on add individual options, here now, you notice now you have the name and the price. So these are the individual options for the product that we are selling. So I can add that. Let's say for instance, I write small, then I can adjust the price, maybe 250. I can add another one, maybe medium, $300, and so on and so forth. So down here, I can add the shipping. So I can choose the country where I'm in, select India, then I select if the shipping is alone or with other items, then I can put the price there. Let me maybe say 10 and so on and so forth. So I can also add if you're shipping that with other things, and then you just add that. So down here, you have the tax category. You can add in your details here for the tax category so that you can comply with your country's requirement. Now, if I go back here, I have the option to add an image. And remember we said in our previous tutorials, you have to select a nice image. So I click on image, then I come to here, we have my images. Then I select an image here, this suits, and there we have it. So there we have our picture added or our image added. So if I'm satisfied with the details, I click on save. Yes, you've added a new product. So this is now how our product looks with the details and with the image. I can also add more images for the product that I need. I'll only need to click on this plus image down here, and then I'll be able to add more images. So if I go back to products, you now notice for my products, I only have this one added. So if I go to my dashboard here, I'll be able now to do all the other things. For instance, now you notice here, it has now indicated completed. That is for adding the product, it is completed. So let me do the next one. You can do all these others, but let's do the one for designing your shop. So I click on design your shop and it takes me to this page. So this is my shop. So to design this, I simply click on design here. And it takes me to this page where now I can edit how my shop looks like. For instance, up here, I can design the themes, the settings, the pages, the header image, transparent background, which is actually recommended here, and all these details. I can add slideshows, I can choose the colors, I can choose the fonts, I can choose the announcement text, and this displays an announcement message on the top of every page. Sorry, this is supposed actually to be my header image. So there it is, it has already been added at the top there. So if I want to add my background image, this is the place that I click. I click on that, then I select the image that I want to be my background image. In this case, let me choose this card that I had designed earlier using Canva, and our tutorial is available on that. So you will simply keep on adding the things that you need, and then there we have it. So you see now that's what we have as our background. Again, you have to choose a background that you feel fits what you are selling. In this case, this is just a sample. For instance, if I was to be designing cards, and this would be the image that I would use. If now I'm satisfied with that, I can click on publish. But remember, up here, you can also edit the pages. You can even add a new page. And this is a way that now you can keep on building your store. If I'm satisfied, I'll click on publish. And now it shows your changes are now being visible in your shop. So that is how now my page looks like. So if I click on products there we have our product. So if I click on that product, it takes me now to my page where we have the details about that. So I hope this helps, and that is how you create a Bigcartel e-commerce store. Please like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.